ex-wife, Wendi Adelson, was given limited immunity to testify at both trials.
Okay.
And there's some question as to whether the ex-wife is going to testify at the next trial, which is against her brother. If someone refuses to testify when they're subpoenaed to come to trial, but there's prior testimony, can that just be played or read instead of that person being a witness at the next trial?
Probably. I'd have to know a little bit more. There could be cases where it was problematic in some way, but if the person testified and they were subject to cross-examination,
yes,
as she was twice apparently, then I would guess it's likely that's going to come in. The concern is usually whether the prior testimony is credible and whether there were what we call indicia of reliability in the statements that were made. And in that kind of situation where you have somebody on both sides who is tasked with ensuring that the evidence that's coming in is proper evidence, and you've got a judge sitting in both situations where she's testified before, making sure that the rules are followed. And at this point, I assume there has been an appellate review of both of those, or there's going to be. It's hard to imagine a situation where there would be better indicia of reliability to the evidence. So my quick and dirty opinion is that that's probably coming in.
Yeah, because I did look up the Florida statute about prior testimony or what to do if a witness becomes unavailable, that, there would be a hearsay exception to just bring in prior testimony.
Well, that doesn't sound like she's unavailable.
What if she just refuses and says, well, this time I'm not coming back?
Well, they could subpoena her. They could pull her in against her will. That's the nature of a subpoena. But if she sits on the stand and says, I will not answer your questions, then there's an opportunity for what we call impeachment, where her old statements can be put in front of her, and the questions can be, you said that, you said that, you said that. Or they can play them on video and show you said that's you, right? So, yeah, I mean, that stuff probably is going to come in.
Okay, thank you.